Hello viewers and dear students. This video is about producing report that how we use Microsoft Access to produce reports from a query, and we can also produce a report from a table as well. When we are dealing with the queries, first of all we need to modify the query for specific records, and then after we need to produce a report for the same query. For example, they have mentioned here you need to show all the cars made by Ford, and then you need to produce a report for them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on cars table first. So I'll just click on the cars table, then after we'll click on create a query, then select all the fields from this table, then just click on next. We don't need this field. Click on next, then we'll click on simple query, just click on next, and then I'm going to modify, and I'm just going to name it Ford cars, then just click on finish. There is already a query with the Ford car, so as it is already here, I'm just going to click on finish. Query is produced. Now I need to type here Ford and then simply click on run. So I have detail of all the cars made by Ford. Now click on save and start producing report. Just click here, then report wizard, and then select one by one field like manufacturer, model, color, purchase price, sale price, year, and extras, for example. Then click on next, and then just here is something called grouping. If you want to group the data, if you click on manufacturer, so they will group the data by manufacturer, like all the cars made by Ford will be separate, and other cars if they are there. So at the moment we don't have any other cars, we have only Ford cars, so we just reduce the grouping. If you want to group them by model, so it will be grouped in the model. For example, 2018, 2017, 2010 cars will be separately shown in the report as a group. So we usually don't select this group option. Click on next, and if you want to perform any ascending and descending order, for example, I want to arrange in ascending order of manufacturer and then in descending order of model, then just click on next. The report is always in tabular form, and if you want this in the landscape or portrait, you can choose one of these. For example, I want my report to be landscape oriented, then just click on finish. Any other heading, Ford cars in stock, then just click on finish. Let's see how it look like when you preview it. So once you preview, you will get your report with the data. So at the top, these are called the field labels, and that is data. So you see here it's too much space, extra space, but some of the data is not clearly visible, so we need to fix it. How? Right click, layout view, then try to fix each and every part the report by just selecting, clicking on each and every field, and then for example I click color, then I press control button and click on data. We'll just move it towards left, just like that, and then sales price as well. This is how we produce the label and report in database, and we fix each and every part of the report. So all the data as well as the labels are fully visible, not a single thing is hidden here. We'll just fix this one, yes, and then like that. So you see your data is now here on a single page and all the data is clearly visible. When you print preview it, so when you are printing, it will look like this on a paper. Now here is something called how we hide the data. So when they ask you to hide the data, in this case you need to go to design view. For example, you don't want to show the customer's purchase date. Just click here, then click on property sheet. Here we have all option, then here we have something called visible. So just click here, visible, no. When you click on save and view this time, the data is not visible for the users. So you can just show the sale price to the customers or your boss or anyone else. Then in this case, just click on design view. If you want to bring it back, just click on yes. Or you want to highlight, you can highlight as well. You select your data, and then we have here an option back color. For example, I want back color for it black, and for this one as well black. So not the data, and even the label is not visible. It is black highlighted only, but the data when you print it, definitely it will be a normal printer color, the black and white printer, so this data will not be seen. So this is how we perform such operations with the report, and we create report as well. Hope you have understand how to create reports, how to arrange the data into it, and how to hide and unhide the data in the reports. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updated values.